Guys, this is Aaron from Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today we will be replacing a band on a Charge 2, a Fitbit Charge 2. This band has some wear and tear, it's nice and dirty, and it's peeling up on the edges. So to change the band, you go to the bottom of the Charge 2, you press this clip, and it releases. It just pulls up, first one, second one. Now they're off. Now we're gonna grab the new Charge 2 replacement bands. They can be bought at www.joesge.com. We grab the bands, and to put them back on, you just slip it on from the bottom. Clips, second one, clips, and that's it. That's how you replace the bands on a Fitbit Charge 2. Thank you guys for watching.